9 Tricks to prevent bad odors in the bedroom. Certain areas of the home, like kitchens and bedrooms, tend to accumulate odors. If you notice this happening in your bedroom or other areas, pay attention to the following tricks that will allow you to prevent bad odors. They're simple and economical. Notice the difference and thank us. 1. Air out your home to prevent bad odors. Although it might seem obvious, if you air your bedroom out, you refresh the air and eliminate the odors that leave the air feeling heavy. The odors may arise from poorly circulated air, so there's nothing like opening up the windows and letting in a little fresh air. 2. Clean light bulbs. This tip is especially important in homes with smokers. Tobacco smoke not only leaves a stubborn odor, it also forms an invisible film on light bulbs. Every time you turn on the light, the bulb will heat the film and the smell will return. To solve this problem, just wipe the bulb clean with a cloth every now and then. 3. Use fluorescent lighting. Make light bulbs and other fixtures in your home your allies in fighting odors. These bulbs will leave your room smelling perfect. Some tubes in this type of lighting are coated with a layer of titanium dioxide that absorbs bad odors when the light is in use. Yes, they are special bulbs that you will have to specifically look for. 4. Pay attention to your carpets. Bad odors often emanate from textiles in general, especially carpets and rugs. To eliminate bad odors, first vacuum the carpet. Then, use a product to dry wash smells away. Baking soda is a good, and economic, choice. 5. Lemons. Lemons have so many beneficial properties and uses. Use them to help you eliminate fish and other cooking smells that permeate your home. Or simply use their fresh scent to brighten the room. To do so, cut 3 lemons in half and boil in plenty of water. Let simmer for 30 minutes over low heat until you notice they're releasing their citrus aroma. Let cool wherever you want to freshen the air. This is a really effective home remedy. 6. Clean upholstery. Cleaning your sofa's upholstery is really important. Make sure the product you use is compatible with the material. Try to find a scented one. Before applying any cleaning product, you should first vacuum the upholstery for a really effective cleaning. Or leather, the best way to avoid odors is to clean it with an oil-based soap made specially for leather. 7. Air fresheners. Using an air freshening spray is another simple trick to say goodbye to odors and get your bedroom smelling great again. To make your own, mix a few drops of lavender essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution around the room to eliminate lingering odors. 8. Potpourri. Another way to make your home smell good is with floral potpourri, something you could even make yourself. Take a cloth sachet and fill with a mix of fresh herbs and flowers. The sachet will give off an incredible aroma. Place them anywhere in the home where you want to eliminate bad odors. 9. Vinegar absorbs bad odors. To put an end to bad odors for good, leave a cupful of white vinegar in the room. After a few hours, the room will smell much better because the vinegar will have absorbed the bad odors. This trick also works in smellier areas like the kitchen and bathroom. Just put a cup of vinegar in some water and let stand for a while. Remove and discard the water. You'll really notice the difference.